Welcome students, I am Dr. Kim Rodriguez, Assistant Professor in Botany at Kamal College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women, Nouvelle Goa. Today, we are going to study Heartwood and Sapwood for second year BSc Botany Semester 3 students. Paper code BOC 103. Paper title Plant Anatomy and Embryology. The title of the unit is Unit 3 Secondary Growth. Module name Heartwood and Sapwood. Module number 20. The module outline is Introduction, Heartwood, Sapwood. The learning outcomes of the module is describes the heartwood and sapwood. Introduction. In the previous module, Wood Anatomy and Structure of Secondary Xylem Wood Elements, we have studied that wood is basically secondary xylem, which is formed due to the activity of vascular cambium, which is present in between the xylem and phloem in a vascular bundle. In trees, secondary xylem produced over a long period of time gets differentiated structurally and functionally. Based on the structural peculiarities, the wood of dicotyledons is characterized and identified as follows: heartwood and sapwood. Heartwood. Xylem elements which gradually become functionless and occupy the central portion is called heartwood. Heartwood is also known as duramen. Heartwood or duramen is the central part of wood, which is darker or black in color, consisting of non-conducting elements, which mainly provide mechanical support. So, heartwood or duramen is composed of dead cells, with their walls impregnated with substances such as resins, oils, gums, and tannins, and therefore functionless or as non-conducting elements. Formation of heartwood. During the formation of the heartwood, cell walls lose water. Cells lose protoplast and cell sap. Food materials such as starch is removed to prevent fungal attack. Cells get lignified and pit apertures are closed. Ergastic substances such as gums, oil, resins, and tannins are formed inside the tissues. The infiltration of ergastic substances such as resins, oils, gums, and tannins result in the darker or black color of the heartwood. These changes make the heartwood more strong, hard, durable, and resistant to decay. And due to these properties, heartwood is commercially more valued. It is used for making furniture. Sapwood. The xylem elements formed in recent years with functional tissue and occupy the outer portion is called sapwood. Sapwood is also known as alburnum. Sapwood or alburnum forms the outer part of the wood, which is light-colored and soft, consisting of living cells which are involved in conduction of water and nutrients, storage of food, as well as providing support. Sapwood is preferred for pulpwood, for making wood pulp, for paper production, and for wood to be impregnated with preservatives due to the absence of resins and gums. As the tree ages, inner portion of sapwood becomes converted into heartwood. During this process, the living cells of the sapwood lose protoplast. Water contents are reduced and the vessels are blocked by tylosis. Tyloses are balloon-like structures or protrusions which extend into the lumen of the vessels. They block the movement of fluids and also of infectious agents such as fungal spores and hyphae, thereby providing hardness and durability to the wood. Simultaneously, deposition of substances such as resins, gums, and tannins also occurs. As a result, the radius of the heartwood increases with the age of the tree, whereas the radius of the sapwood remains the same. In these images, we can see the heartwood and sapwood. So the central part of the wood, which is darker or black in color, consisting of non-conducting elements which mainly provide mechanical support, is known as heartwood. It is more commercially valued than sapwood and is used for making furniture. The outer portion, which is light-colored and soft, is known as the sapwood, consisting of living elements which are involved in conduction of water and nutrients, storage of food, as well as providing support. Sapwood is mainly preferred for pulpwood. So these are the two main types of wood among the dicotyledons, heartwood and sapwood. So in this particular module, we have studied the two main types of wood depending upon the structural peculiarities in the dicotyledons, that is heartwood and sapwood. These are some of the references. Thank you.